Howdy folks, Matty Nordsvan here for Little Pool Co. We've just had our second local build, massive lift as you can see. Our crane here is packing up. This job here is a 6 metre relaxed pool, and you can see here in the colour of grey marble with the mini orb cladding. We did a 1800 pre-level here, which we did some video for before. So this is the second phase of the build. So once we get a nice bit of 1.5 decking all the way around here, we're going to have a nice privacy screen on this side. It's going to become a beautiful area. So watch this space, guys. Keep an eye out for littlepoolco.com.au, and you too can have one of these in your backyard.